Hi, I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to talk about how to install the 20-gallon auxiliary brine tank to the Snowrator. The auxiliary tank adds an additional 20 gallons of capacity. It seamlessly integrates into the pump, nozzle, and wand system that's on the Snowrator. Before we begin the install today, let's make sure you have the proper parts and tools to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. Remove the front decal panel from the Snowrator to make room for the attachment plate and the auxiliary tank. Remove and retain the hardware, securing the deck plate. Repeat the process for the other side. Secure the attachment plate to the deck plate using the previously removed fasteners. Repeat the process for the other side. Torque the fasteners to 11 foot-pounds. Remove the Oetiker clamp and disconnect the hose from the valve assembly. Remove the elbow from the valve assembly. Add thread sealing compound to the threads of the new valve assembly. Thread the new valve assembly into the existing valve assembly, tightening until proper sealant occurs and hose alignment is achieved. Attach the secondary valve to the new valve assembly. Be sure to use thread sealant on these threads as well. To aid in hose assembly, apply a lubricant such as dish soap to the inside of the hose. Install a hose clamp and slide the hose onto the hose barb. Tighten the hose clamp. Using a hose cutter, cut the hose just above the lower hose barb to aid in disassembly. Remove the lower hose barb from the tank and discard. Install the new valve assembly into the previously removed hose barb location on the tank. Be sure to use thread sealant on these threads as well. Install the horizontal valve assembly to the previously installed vertical hose assembly. Cut the hose to the proper length, lubricate, install a hose clamp, and slide the hose onto the vertical valve assembly. Tighten the hose clamp. Install the auxiliary tank onto the mounting bracket. Secure the tank to the mounting bracket using the supplied mounting latches. Tighten the 3/8" bolts using a 9/16 wrench. Repeat this process on the other side. Route the hoses from the tank around the hydraulic pump and secure the auxiliary tank pump valve. Thread the upper hose into the auxiliary tank. Be sure to use thread sealant on these threads as well. Attach the upper hose to the auxiliary tank return valve. Disconnect the lower hose from the auxiliary tank valve. Make sure the selection valve is turned to the stock tank prior to removal. Disconnect the upper hose from the return valve, again ensuring that the return valve is turned back to the stock tank. Reroute the hose so that it will be free when removing the tank. Remove the fasteners securing the mounting latches and remove the latches. Tilt the tank back slightly and lift up to remove it from the mounting plate.
We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service Team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the Snowrator at bossplow.com.